Very good morning, students. Today we will study chapter number 10, A Farmer and a Cobra. So, what we are going to learn in this story is that we should not betray the trust of our loved ones, because once we are going to break anyone's trust, they can't trust us again. So, here we are going to see the story. Let's get into the story. So there was a poor farmer who used to live in a village, and the land he was working on was so small. One day, when he finished his work, he was taking rest under a tree. He was laying under a tree and he was taking rest under a tree. Suddenly, what he saw? He saw a cobra near an anthill. Means while he was taking rest, he saw a cobra near an anthill. What is the meaning of anthill? A anthill is a kind of small mound created in earth, especially in soil by ants. Means a kind of nest of ants. So that is an anthill. On page number 47, one picture is also given of anthill. You can refer to that picture for understanding what is anthill. So what farmer saw? Farmer saw a cobra near an anthill. He thought that cobra is a god of that land. So where the land where farmer used to work, he thought that cobra is a land of this god of this land. So he went near cobra and he worshipped him, and he offered him some milk. He poured the milk into a bowl and moved away. He went to cobra, and what he did, he offered him some milk, and he said, sir, please forgive me. I didn't knew that this is your land, so I am offering you this milk, so please forgive me. So from next day, when farmer again bought milk for the cobra, what he saw in that bowl there was one shiny glittery stone in the bowl. It was a what that shiny glittery stone was. It was a diamond. He was very much surprised and he was happy because he got a diamond. He got a diamond in return of the milk he offered to cobra. So from that day onwards, he started offering milk to cobra every day. Now cobra and farmer are friends. Now this was a daily routine. Farmer used to offer milk to cobra, and in return he always get a diamond for offering milk. So one day the farmer was not in the town. He went to some other town for some urgent work. So he asked his son to put milk near the ant hill on his fields. He said, son, can you please go there and can you put milk near the ant field? Next day, very early morning, farmer's son went to that field with a glass of milk, and he saw a glittering stone in the bowl. Now the farmer's son thought, this is a diamond. If this cobra offers daily a diamond to my father, how many diamonds would be there in this ant hill? So he thought, if I kill this cobra, so I can collect all the diamonds at same times instead of coming here daily. He thought, if I will kill this cobra, I will collect all the diamonds, so I won't have to come here daily. So he struck the cobra with a stick, but the cobra dodged. Dodged means he escaped from getting being hit. So he escaped and he bit farmer's son with his poisonous fangs. Fangs means teeth, a big teeth. So he bite farmer's son, and now the farmer's son is dead. When farmer returned to his village in the evening, he was shocked when he got to know that his son is no more. He got shocked that his son is dead. But farmer was not sad with the death of his son. He was a greedy man, so he went to the ant hill after his son's death and offered milk to cobra for getting diamond. Now the cobra didn't come out from hole, and instead coming out, he shouted from inside the hole that you are greedy man. You came here only for diamonds. You are not my friend. You come here only for getting diamonds. You are not even sad for your son's death. Your son is dead, and no, you are not even uh, sad because of your son's death. You just came here for getting a diamond. Now we are not friends. Please don't come here. I am giving you this last diamond, but don't come here again in future. Means don't ever come here in future. I won't give you diamond. This is the last diamond you can take, but I know you are a greedy person, so we are not friends anymore. So students, what we learned from this chapter, that we should always be loyal to our near ones or to the ones who love us. We should never betray them. Betray means we should never cheat them, because if once we lose somebody's trust, we can never win that person's trust again. So we should not break anyone's trust, and we should remain loyal to everyone. So now let's get into the exercises. Come to the exercise number B. Fill in the blanks. A poor farmer used to live in a dash. A poor farmer used to live in a village. The farmer saw a dash with his hood raised. The farmer saw a cobra with his hood raised. Third, the farmer saw a glittering dash in the bowl. The farmer saw a glittering stone in the bowl. 4. The cobra did not come out of the dash. The cobra did not come out of the hole. C. Write yes or no. If I were the farmer's son, I would do the same. No. If I were the farmer's son, I would not have done the same. Second, if I were the farmer, I would chase away the cobra. No. If I was the farmer, I would not have chased the cobra. Third, if I were the cobra, I would forgive both. No. Fourth, if I were the farmer's son, I would do as my farmer did, as my father did. Yes. D. Match the following. First is the farmer immediately. We will match this with bought a glass full of milk. We will match this with C. Second, the farmer's son struck the cobra with a big stick. So we will match second number with D option, with a D, big stick. He saw a glittering stone. So we will match this with A. He saw a glittering stone in the bowl. Fourth, the cobra was a good friend of the farmer. So we will match fourth with option B. So thank you all of you.